Guys.
We are sus.
Yes.
I don't know why we are sus.
Yes.
We killed red. And we killed blue. We killed green even.
Yeah. We are the
Emergency
ultimate
meeting.
killing spree trio imposter pooping doo crack.
Imposter number 1.
Okay, guys, don't forget to like,
3,
subscribe, and
4.
poopy doo.
Poop
Hit
in your
the-
butt.
Smash that like button with your pinky toe.
Yes.
And
Okay, now we are
hit the
going to play
notification
Picky.
bell with your nose. And put it on all with your forehead.
Okay, now we are going
And
to
share
play
it.
Piggy Book 2 Chapter 9. Wow.
Oh my god.
Okay,
Are you
let's
gonna
start.
talk, Pandi?
Pandit.
Okay, guys, don't forget. I just changed the channel name to RHG Gaming and Logs.
Did you change that? Are you going to change?
I already changed. Hey,
I don't think we are playing in phone. Why? Because it came vertical and again slanting. We are playing in tab.
yeah. Wait, why is it glitchy?
We don't pretend this thing. Phone. Phone is so old model. Tab is new.
Yeah. So let's start. Go and call Pandu, please. I'll just continue it. Ooh, crowbar. Eee. Piggy, pork chop, where are you at? Piggy, pork chop. Piggy, pork chop. Piggy, pork chop.
Be careful.
Wait, why is my hair not?
Hey, why is there no sound, bro?
Oh, yo. It's full sound.
Then why can't I? Oh yeah.
Hello, what's up, bro?
I think we
What's
need to
up,
change like him. Or it is an outfit.
Oh.
Oops. Who's that? Who's that, bro?
It's Piggy. I'll get the key. Where shall I take the key? There are so many keys in this room.
No.
No.
Go, go, go.
No.
Where should you do that? Hey, there's a lock over there.
Oh, this is the white one. Ah.
Whoa. Hey, who's that one? Oh no.
Ah. Oh my god, she's right there. Oh, somebody just jumped down.
Hey, yeah,
Oh,
the
he
blood.
got the. Oh, yeah, I got the blue. Let's go. Unlock it.
Yeah.
What is in there?
Nothing.
Oh,
Yee.
oh,
What?
oh, ammo,
What's
ammo.
that?
It's ammo.
But you don't have any gun.
Run away. Uh-oh. Save. I got another green key. Take the green key. Take the stupid green key.
Oh.
Run.
Yes.
Run.
Oh,
Run.
no.
Run.
It's coming.
Run. Where's the lock?
No, close the door, close.
Where's the lock?
No, that's the white one.
No.
Where's the green?
Ah.
No.
What the heck was that sound? Hello, Piggy.
Hey,
No, don't die, buddy. I'm going in saving game.
hey, you can't save the bro. Oh.
Buddy, don't die. Oh, no, he died. Shoot.
Yeah, you go and find the green lock, bro. It's so terrifying. Can you take that? Oh my god. I become like a dead boy at once. I think you have to play as Vicky. Grandmother?
Wait, what?
Pandy? Teacher sheep?
Oh my god.
I think you have to play as Piggy now.
I want to play as Piggy. Come here, boy.
Oh, the sound is only terrifying my heart.
Oh, my heart is dead.
Piggy bot?
Piggy bot? I want to be the
Oh,
Piggy bot.
it's a bot.
So
Oh my
there's
god,
another
intermission
helper.
starts in. We can't be a piggy.
Oh, chapter. Gallery. Shall I go?
Map voting. Do it, bro. Yes. No. Nope.
They all voted.
It was a
that,
map
so
voting.
One guy voted there. Guys, shooter. Vote here. Bot. Please, guys, bot. Okay, bot plus player, I guess. Infection. No, if infection means if Piggy kills you, you will turn into Piggy.
Oh, that's good, bro.
I want to die first.
No. Don't try to die first. You'll get a win. You'll get an Oscar award.
No. Why are there both of them beside me? No, please don't kill me.
No. They are not. I guess we are going in the.
Oh, they are helpers.
Yes. I think they are your teammates, bro.
Oh, I can't see anything. Hey
Yeah.
guys. Hello. Don't kill me.
Good afternoon.
carrots?
Did you eat any breakfast? Did you eat
I'll get you
milk and
carrots, buddy.
chocos?
Oh no, there's Piggy. Come. Run.
No.
I can't.
Oh,
Yeah.
yes.
Shush.
Hey, blue
Ammo.
lock.
Ammo.
Oh, hey, what's the lock?
It's a purple lock.
You need to break the lock.
I'm gonna
So-
just go. This is the same door.
What's the ammo?
Oh no, why am I crouching? No, there are two piggies. Two piggies.
Piggies is woken up now.
Hey, what's up, bro? Oh, this is our friend. Hello.
Piggies are woken. Sanju, you need to find the key, bro. Oh no,
why
you
is there
don't have.
nothing here.
Hey, take the fire extinguisher.
Where?
Oh, no, you don't have. Where is the pig? You have only 9 minutes.
Can I open the vent? Please, can I go through the vent?
Yes, you can go.
I cannot. Oh. Please don't kill me. Nice, buddy. You're the best. Where are you going? No, get up. I'm running.
Real. Sanju, you need to find another key.
Wait. What is this axe? What do you want?
Key.
No.
You-
I gotta run away.
She left there.
Oh. Wait, is that a player?
Yes.
She's going and wrecking everyone. Hello, guys. Are you
See inside this.
finding any?
Any keys?
Piggy is gone for 20 seconds.
Yes. You got the orange key. Yeah.
Got a key.
Don't go near those holes.
Oh my god.
That's a green one. What
This
can you
is
do in a med bay?
Med me? Oh,
Med
there's
bay.
Piggy. Oh, is that Piggy? No.
No, not a piggy.
Hello. Save me. I'm trying to find something.
She'll stay there. Hey, go into the chat and
Oh no. Hey, kill this guy. Oh, Piggy.
Piggy.
Hello, Piggy. I'm gonna go
Piggy is
follow
waste.
Piggy. Piggy.
Go inside. There is no security for you now.
Hello, Piggy.
Where is the orange lock?
I found a white lock. I think this is the white lock. There's something under here. What is that?
Go, that's it, bro. You should have go. What's that?
Is that a key? Oh, I found a vent. It's an open vent.
Ah.
Oh my god, he's scared me. Ah!
Hey, no, he's a teammate.
No, that is
Piggy.
not a teammate.
Piggy.
Come
Piggy.
on, save me. Just get him. Nice. He's dead.
Yes.
There is a green lock. Oh my god.
No. He's not a.
No, he still can kill me. But he cannot follow me. Hello, but they get wrecked.
Sanju, bro. You need to find the green key.
Open the door. Open the stupid door. Oh no. Hello.
Is he a statue or what?
Oh, this is our friend. This is the.
Hey, there's a yellow lock. Yes.
Oh, that's not a yellow lock. There's a ammo.
Yes.
Oh, I
Do you have
never
guns?
found this. I never found. Oh,
Yeah,
I got
green
the
lock.
green key. Just take it.
Huh?
Oh.
Tell her to pick the key. You need to chat, bro.
Hey, buddy.
Start chatting. Oh, no.
Oh no, okay.
Start chatting.
Oh my god.
What's her name? Someone take the orange key. Orange key.
No.
No need, okay. Go to the med bay fast as you
Oh,
can.
blue key. Shall I take it?
Pick it.
Maybe. Oh no. Hello. Hi,
Sanju,
buddy.
take the blue key.
Oh,
Blue key.
I never saw
Sanju,
this.
blue key is better, I think. Green key is for medbay. You can't do anything with that medbay. Hey, just leave this thing. Yes, now you can take. Yes.
No. How do I get out of here?
Yes. The door.
Hello.
Find me where you have to keep the blue key. Blue key. Hey, blue key.
Where?
Blue key.
Oh, I think that's for a vault. There is a green key. Oh, get right.
You need to find the blue key. Go there, any room. Blue key for any room.
You have blue key.
Yeah, I have it. I know. This is
This game is so
frustrating.
interesting, no?
Ouch, my back hurts. Ow, not there. Ow.
Hey, I saw that there's a blue.
I think that is a wrench. Is that a wrench?
Plan to dead with. Plan to deal with upsurge. What's that means? Go there.
Any blue keys?
Yes, you can go. Whoa, there's a big room over here. Red key.
Shall I take it?
Wait. Is this a poison key?
No,
Why it's?
No. Wait, what?
Whoa. Hey,
it's a
you
bot.
don't know.
It's a bot.
Piggy is a blind. Piggy is blind.
No, it's
Granny
a
is
bot.
blind.
No, where shall I go? Bro, I found the medbay key. Why did you not let me take it?
Yes. Now you can take the medbay key. Do you know that where that gym is? Those all dumbbells.
No. Hello.
Gosh, that's.
Bye
Hey, Sanjay, you should have go inside that, bro. Let's go. Oh, is that the thing? Okay, don't go.
Don't come here. No. She's awaking. She's awaking.
Okay, once go.
Wait. I gotta run. I know the gym.
Find the gym.
It's down here.
Nope. This is not a
it's
gym.
not the gym. It's up there, I think. Come on. This game is taking so long.
Yes. You have to go from that door.
Protect me, buddy. Protect me.
Go that side.
Gonna take the medbay key.
Hey, oh God.
Somebody replaced it, I think.
No.
Oh, the blue key. I think is the medbay key. I found another key. Let's go. Purple key. I know
Hey.
where another one is. That
Purple
is
key.
two. Oh no. My friend died. Why are there two piggies? No piggy. That's a real one. That's a real person. No. Run.
Piggy is so slow, I think.
No. Bro, that's a player. Oh, I'm a piggy. I know where all the players are. Get right.
Hey, why can't you kill them?
Gonna box you like a fish, bud. Box you like a fish. Wait,
We have to go away
can
in
jump?
2 minutes.
why is Piggy so slow? And
I
she's
know that
jumping
Piggy is slow.
Hello, budda. Don't kill me because I'm Piggy. Where you at, girl? Are there no one? Literally no one. Wait, what? Oh,
Hey, wait, what's the burning fire over there? Let's go.
I found a red key here. You need a fire twisted. I cannot go.
Where can you? Hey, what's that red button over there? I saw a red button. Wait, go back, bro.
I saw it, dude.
I did not.
Guys, I think I have to end it here.
Yes.
We'll make a part 2. So bye guys, don't forget to like, subscribe and do everything, you know it. Bye bye.
Bye.
Besos.